In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GA4 API secret in just 5 minutes. Navigating the depths of Google Analytics for GA4 might feel like a daunting task, especially when you're looking for something as specific as your API secret. This key is essential for interacting with Google Analytics data outside of the GA interface, allowing you to integrate your analytics with other applications. Let's start with the basics. You need to head over to your admin settings in Google Analytics. This is the command center for all your configuration settings, including what we're after today, the API secret for measurement protocol. From any page within GA4, you can access admin settings usually from the lower left corner of your screen. It's your portal to everything that controls your data. Once you're in the admin settings, your next destination is the data collection and modification section. Here, Google has centralized tools and settings that empower you to manage how your data is collected, configured, and modified. Notably, this is not just about collecting data, but also about preparing it in ways that serve your analysis better. Then, within the dizzying array of settings and configurations, you'll find the data streams option. Data streams represent the sources of data flowing into your GA4 property. This could be from websites, apps, or any digital platform you're tracking. Clicking on data streams will reveal the various streams you have set up. Next, identify and click on your web stream. This is crucial because your GA4 property might be collecting data from multiple sources. By selecting your specific web stream, you're narrowing down to the exact source of data you want to generate an API secret for. On selecting your web stream, you'll see various options related to data collection and configuration. Look for Measurement Protocol API secrets. Measurement Protocol allows developers to send user interaction data to Google Analytics from any web-connected device. This is where API secrets come into play, enabling secure data transmission. Now the crucial part, creating your API secret. By clicking on Create, you'll initiate the process to generate a new API secret uniquely associated with your data stream. This is a straightforward step, but it requires your attention to detail. You'll then be prompted to give your API key a name. Naming your API key is more than just a formality. It's about creating an identifier that makes sense to you and your team, especially if you'll manage multiple keys. A clear, descriptive name can save you from confusion in the future. After naming your API key, hit Create to finalize its creation. The anticipation builds up to this moment when you see your new API secret is ready for action, but you're not quite done yet. The last essential step is to safely copy your API secret value. Look for the copy icon beside your new API secret. With a single click, your API secret is ready to be pasted where it's needed. Remember, your API secret is like a password. Keep it secure and only share it with trusted tools and team members. In closing, your journey through Google Analytics to find your API secret ends here, but your adventure with data is just getting started. This API secret is your key to unlocking new potentials in data analysis and integration. Whether you're automating data collection processes or integrating GA4 data with other platforms, the power is now in your hands. Throughout this process, taking care of where and how you store your API secret is crucial. It's a valuable asset in the realm of data security. Now that you know how to navigate your way through Google Analytics to retrieve this important piece of information, consider exploring more about what you can achieve with it. Integrating GA4 with other applications can yield valuable insights and streamline your analytics operations. Your feedback is always welcome, so don't hesitate to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. And if you found this guide helpful, liking and subscribing would be greatly appreciated. There's much more to explore and learn together, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay curious and see you in our next tutorial.